water and sale.
Only $100 bucks.
Whoops, the high
Yeah, come back and then.
where is it? It's over here.
Correct.
But I cannot see.
So. But whatever. At least I got 2 free tickets to the Zoo Light thing. Now I gotta come back. But I got the membership thing. So what? That's like 10% off of everything when I buy stuff.
Oh, she's sad.